Mijn naam is Arno Boot, ik ben eigenaar van EPAC. Wij werken hier in Weert samen met ruim 35 hele enthousiaste collega's. Wij assembleren printplaten, SMT en two-hole bestukking voor allerlei klanten in de agricultuur, in de energiesector en in de defensieindustrie.
I believe that the technology is growing, but it's also evolving. And us, like users, we need also to keep up the same step with the technology. So we need to invest in machines and, of course, also in trainings for our people. So the combination of both hopefully will help us to improve also. I think we are more proud of our last two machines, Deacon L1s. They are the first ones for Benelux. I hope that they will help us to improve our speed, stability, and also they will give us some new opportunities. And this will bring us in the future a lot of happy customers, but also a lot of new opportunities on the market.
We was having in the beginning 3 SM482 machines. After that we switched one of them for Decan S1, and now we just purchased 2 Decan L2 machines, which actually we are really happy to share and really proud with it. An advantage of the L1 towards the SM482 is the better cameras, and that they include 2 fiducial cameras, which is making the full usage of the sites possible, which is great. And the biggest advantage towards the S1 is actually the better head organization. In this specific case with the L1 machines, we just come and tell we want a machine, but we want this head organization. And actually Smans come with a proposal like, this is a new model, it's just new on the market, it's doing exactly what you wish, so yeah, this is a good choice. It's a big role also in the support, because the machines are broken from time to time, even if we don't like it, and we know that we all the time have to who to trust and to call in case of a problem. The machines need to be operated by somebody who knows how to operate, but in the end, I tell all the time to my colleagues that the machine don't have brain. She's doing the job, so she's the hands and she need to do the things really fast. But actually the operator is the guy who is responsible for the thinking process. All our operators are having absolutely full access to all the settings of the machines and full freedom to touch absolutely everything. They can broke a program, but we know also how to fix these programs and how to optimize them. In some cases, by breaking something, you learn better how to do it.